Learn English with debate. Today's topic is social media, good or bad? Let's get started. Hi Rohan. I like social media. It's fun.
Hi Anika. I don't agree. I think it's not good.
Why? I talk to my friends. They live far away.
But you spend too much time online. You don't play outside.
I learn new things. I see cool pictures. I learn about different places.
You see bad things too. You see people being mean. You see things that aren't true.
I learn to be careful. My parents help me. It's important to learn.
It takes too much time. You don't do your homework. You are always on your phone.
I learn good things too. I join groups about my hobbies. I learn from other people.
You compare yourself to others. You feel bad if you don't have many likes. You see perfect pictures.
I learn to know what's real and what's fake. It takes time. I learn to be smart.
It's addictive. You can't stop looking at your phone. It's not healthy.
Anything can be addictive. We must learn balance. My parents help me.
It can make you lonely. You have many online friends. But you don't have real friends.
I meet real friends online too. I find people who like the same things. We meet in person sometimes.
You don't sleep well. You are on your phone all night. You are tired at school.
I learn to sleep well. My parents help me. It's important to sleep.
It can be dangerous. You can talk to strangers. They might be bad people.
I learn not to talk to strangers. My parents teach me. It's very important to be safe.
You see too much violence online. You see scary things. It can make you afraid.
I learn to avoid bad things. I learn to be careful online. It's a skill I need.
It can make you lazy. You sit inside all day. You don't exercise.
I find exercise videos online. I join online groups for sports. It helps me to be active.
You spend too much money online. You buy things you don't need. You don't save money.
I learn about money online. My parents teach me how to save. It's a useful skill.
It can affect your grades. You don't study. You are always on your phone.
I use social media for learning too. I join study groups online. I find helpful information.
It's hard to focus. You get distracted easily. You can't pay attention.
I learn to manage my time. I learn to focus. It takes practice.
It can make you stressed. You worry about what people think. You worry about likes and comments.
I learn to be confident. I learn not to care what others think. It takes time to learn.
It can lead to cyberbullying. People can say mean things online. It can hurt your feelings.
I learn about cyberbullying. I learn to be kind online. It's very important.
It's hard to control. Parents can't always see what you are doing. It's a big problem.
My parents talk to me. We learn together. Talking is important.
It changes very fast. New apps come out all the time. It's hard to know what's safe.
We learn together. We learn to be careful. The world is changing quickly.
I still think it's mostly bad. There are too many risks. It's not good for young people.
I think it can be good. It depends how you use it. We must learn to be responsible.
It's a big responsibility. It's hard for parents. It's hard for young people too.
We must work together. We must help young people learn. We must help them grow up well.
I agree. We all must do our part. It's important for the future.
That's right. We all want what's best for young people. We must find the best way.
Maybe we can learn more about it. Maybe we can find ways to make it better. Maybe it's not all bad.
I think so. It's important to be open-minded. It's important to keep learning.
Yes. We must keep talking about it. We must keep trying to understand.
That's the best way. We can learn from each other. We can make a difference.